Good morning. And as you see, the snow is falling right now. Crazy. I'm leaving out of my Central Park residence right now, and I'm going to work early in the morning. Nice snowy day. Beautiful. Yeah, so what I want to talk to you about, being that the weather is the way it is, I notice a lot of people sick. And as you see, I have my hood on. I'm not a hat person. I don't like to wear hats. A little baldy going on and everything, you know. And a lot of times, there's a lot of colds going on. People sneezing, coughing, germs. So, as far as being respectful to others, when you cough or sneeze, there's a few things you can do. Tissue, a tune, or the fold of our arm, a tune, and you notice you keep it covered, especially as that blowing of whatever's coming out of you that goes into the air to infect other people. So you want to be conscious of other people this holiday season. It's not just about, being healthy as far as dressing right, eating correct, exercise, things like that. It's all about not spreading germs. So cover up. Be respectful of others. We're New Yorkers, so we ride in the train. We ride in close quarters with people. You work with people. Just people you're around. You're around people, period. So at the end of the day, matter of fact, before I even go to work, I'm gonna just walk on across the street right here while I'm chit-chatting and give a little view. I'm going to work. You guys know what Central Park looks like. We'll glance it on over there real fast. Central Park. Snowy day. Awesome. So you see your man with the dog. Animals need coats and protection too, especially in nowadays times. Evolution. It ain't used to be like that, but it's about that. So cover the mouths. Cover the noses. Cover up. Let's not spread germs this year. Alright, so on that note, it's not about me, it's about we. Have a good day. I'm going to work. Talk to you later.